How to fix Snapchat device ban on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you would just go to Snapchat, or you will not now open Snapchat. You will open first the settings of your phone, and when it's opening, just go to apps, open apps, and go and search for Snapchat. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage, open storage, and go to the last one here, clear data, like this, and click OK, and that's it. You will back again and click force stop and click OK, and you will back to Play Store and you will update Snapchat again, and that's it. Your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.